How to fix an error occur no license error on Steam. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix an error occurred no license error on Steam. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your Steam app. Now that you're in the Steam, you need to simply go ahead and click on Steam option located in the top left corner of your screen. From here, you need to go ahead and click on settings. That you're in the settings, you need to simply go ahead and click on interface option, and from here you can see an option that says client beta participation, and here in the side you can see an option that says no beta chosen. Simply go ahead and click on that, and from here you need to click on Steam beta update. Now you need to go ahead and restart Steam in order to select a new beta. Once you have restarted the Steam, I hope this might help you solve the issue. As you can see that the Steam is now being updated, and this will help you solve the issue once it's done. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.